This is a kangaroo. And this kangaroo lives at the zoo. Zoos are fun. Hey, here's a story about zoo animals. Let's watch. Zoos are fun places. These boys and girls are visiting the zoo. What are they looking at? Let's see. Look at the water. Do you see the fish? The boys and girls are looking at the fish. Fish live in the water. And fish swim in the water. These fish are big. They're white and orange. What's your favorite animal? Is it a zebra? Zebras are black and white. Is it a giraffe? They're very tall. They have long necks. And they eat leaves from the trees. Is it a monkey? Monkeys are fun animals. Some monkeys are brown. Some monkeys are black. And some monkeys are white. They have long arms. And monkeys can climb trees. Monkeys can swing in the trees too. Now, what's your favorite animal?